In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Fire TV or Fire Stick remote is flashing red. So the first thing you want to do is swap out your batteries, so take them out and put a separate set in to see if that fixes your issue. Now, if that doesn't work, what we're going to have to do is reset the remote. So to do this, what you want to do is unplug your Fire Stick or Fire TV from its power supply for 60 seconds, and in the meantime with your remote, press and hold the menu button, the back button, and the left button for 12 seconds. Now, what this is going to do is reset your remote. So, after it's been about 12 seconds, you can release these buttons. Then, what you want to do is flip over your remote and remove the batteries. Now, with the batteries removed in your remote, go ahead and plug in the power supply back into your Fire Stick or Fire TV, and then wait to see if your screen pops up with a prompt telling you to pair your remote. So you can put the batteries back in your remote, and you can try tapping the home button. You can also try pressing and holding the home button for 10 seconds to see if it works. Now, if it doesn't work, alternatively, you can download the Fire TV app on your phone, and when you do this, you'll be able to set up a remote on it and use it on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. So with this remote, navigate over to settings on the right side, and from here, scroll down, and we're going to select remotes and Bluetooth devices. Then you want to select Amazon Fire TV remotes, and we're going to scroll down and select Add New Remote. Now with the remote that's not working, you want to press and hold the home button for 10 seconds, and it should connect to it, and it should then work. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.